Assalamualaikum friend. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will show you patchwork handbags ideas. So friends, let's start today's video. We are making a beautiful patchwork handbag using fabric piece. Patchwork is a creative way to use all cloth and leftover fabric. We join small pieces together to make a new designs. Weavers. This bag is colorful, stylish, friendly. Let's start step by step, creating something amazing together. First, to choose different fabric pieces. You can use all jeans, cotton, cloth, or printed fabric. Try to pick colors that look good together. Cut the fabric into small square or rectangle. The size can be same or different. Both look beautiful. And weavers, friends, and after finishing the patchwork band, I fold the fabric to make the bag shapes. Puzzling the ideas neatly, add a strong lining inside the bag so it's become durable and long lasting. And adding handle. Now we attach the handle. You can use fabric scarf or belt or ready-made handles. Make sure the handles are strong because they carry weight. And weavers, and your friends, decorate idea. You can decorate your patchwork handbag with button, beads or lace or embroidery. Small decoration make the bag more unique and personal, friends. So I hope you like my video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates.